how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a newsletter in Constant Contact. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the top and click on campaigns. After that, click on create in the top right corner. Over here, select email. Then you can choose from the different templates that are available. For example, if you want to give a discount, you can type discount and select one of the available templates. Then the template will take you to the email editor. From here, you can customize the email by replacing the logo, editing the text, changing images, or adding buttons and dividers. After that, don't forget to update the subject line, pre-header, and sender details. Before sending it out, click on Send Test to send a test email to your own email address to ensure everything looks good. Then give your email a name like Discount October and save it. Click Continue to select the email list you want to send it to. Finally, decide whether to send it now or schedule it for a later date. Once everything is set, click Schedule to finalize. So that's how you can create a newsletter in Constant Contact. That's all for this video.